Well, here's Bertha. I've been waiting to do a intro for a while, but I finally got it unburied. Rebuild engine 20 over. I don't know, what do you guys think about suspension? I'm either going to do the Super Duty Leafs or Carrot Customs coilovers. Tell me what you guys think. Still gotta get the other door on. Both front doors were junk, rusted. I stripped all the interior. I do have all the parts. This was the best door on the truck. Bed obviously was junk. Hood's savable. Might use it. Thinking about a tilt bed too. Or not, tilt hood, not a tilt bed. I did the Super Duty Leaf conversion on the rear with the flip. So it's a 4-inch Skyjacker Leaf, and the kit is a 4-inch also, but without the factory block in there, it's only 4-inch total. I don't want to go too high because I'd like to pull a fifth wheel. How many people out there have lifts and still tow fifth wheels? Let me know. There's a rust-free, one of the rust-free doors I found. Yeah, that rear doors are so hard to find, and this especially because 95, 6, and 7 have this body line where the older trucks did not. So there's the other door. I'll get that put on. So there's Bertha. Sorry I've taken so long to post anything, but hopefully I'm going to start on it right soon. I'm going to start ripping the front suspension off because that's not staying. I got a 20 over Cummins. The machine shop goofed. It wasn't anything wrong with it. It had 212 thou, and they asked me why I brought it to them. I was like, well, I'm building a new truck. I'd like to make sure everything's new and freshened up. He said, okay. Well, his guy in the back goofed up and boarded out, so I got brand new pistons for free, basically. So, for all you Cummins and Ford haters, I'm putting a 6.0 in now, so live with it. Well, thanks for watching, guys.